Picture this, a stretch of golden coastline where the desert meets the sea, the kind of place where the sun sets behind cactus-dotted hills and the ocean rolls in with that deep blue color you only see in travel magazines. That is the setting for the Krystal Grand Los Cabos, a five-star resort tucked along the famous tourist corridor between San Jose del Cabo and Cabo San Lucas. Sitting on Carretera Transpeninsular KM29, this property puts guests right in the sweet spot of one of Mexico's most popular vacation destinations. It is a place that promises sunshine, ocean breezes, and that slightly spoiled feeling you get when somebody else is making your bed every day. Today we are taking a closer look at what this hotel offers, from the rooms to the restaurants to everything in between. Whether you are planning a honeymoon, a family getaway, or just trying to escape another brutal winter back home, this review should help you figure out if Krystal Grand Los Cabos belongs on your shortlist. Let us start where every hotel stay begins, and that is the rooms. As a five-star resort on the Baja California Sur coast, Krystal Grand Los Cabos generally offers a range of accommodations designed to suit different types of travelers, from couples on a romantic break to larger families needing a bit more elbow room. Guests visiting properties of this caliber in the Los Cabos area typically find spacious layouts, modern furnishings, and the kind of bedding that makes you genuinely consider canceling your return flight. Most rooms in resorts along this stretch come with private balconies or terraces, and given the property's coastal positioning, ocean views are a major selling point. Air conditioning, flat-screen televisions, mini fridges, and coffee makers are standard expectations at this price point. The bathrooms in five-star Cabo resorts tend to be generously sized, often with separate tubs and walk-in showers. Families traveling with kids will appreciate that larger suite options are typically available, sometimes with separate living areas or connecting room configurations. For travelers with mobility needs, accessible rooms are generally part of the inventory at properties of this size, though it is always worth confirming the specific features directly before booking. Smart technology has been making its way into resorts across Mexico, and guests can often expect amenities like in-room safes large enough for laptops, USB charging ports near the bedside, and reliable wireless internet throughout the property. The decor tends to lean into warm, earthy tones that reflect the desert-meets-sea environment of the Baja Peninsula. Honeymoon suites and premium oceanfront options usually round out the top of the room categories, often featuring upgraded amenities like soaking tubs with a view. All in all, the room experience is built to make you forget about your everyday worries and just sink into vacation mode. When it comes to food and drink, a resort like Krystal Grand Los Cabos generally delivers a variety of dining experiences spread across multiple venues. Properties in this category typically feature a main buffet restaurant where breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served with rotating themes throughout the week, often including Mexican night, Italian night, and seafood specials. There is usually at least one signature restaurant focused on regional Mexican cuisine, giving guests the chance to enjoy authentic flavors without ever leaving the resort grounds. Seafood is a major focus along the Baja coast, with the Sea of Cortez delivering some of the freshest fish, shrimp, and lobster you can find anywhere in the country. Italian and international restaurants are also common at resorts of this size, providing pasta dishes, grilled meats, and other crowd pleasers for guests who want familiar comfort food. Snack bars near the pool and beach typically round out the casual dining options, perfect for grabbing a quick bite without changing out of your swimsuit. The bar scene at a Los Cabos resort is part of the experience, and Krystal Grand follows the playbook for this kind of property. Lobby bars, swim-up pool bars, and beachfront lounges are all standard, each with its own personality and crowd. Margaritas are practically the official drink of Cabo, and you can expect skilled bartenders shaking up traditional versions alongside creative twists with mango, tamarind, or local fruits. Tequila and mezcal flights are also common, giving guests a chance to learn about Mexico's most famous spirits in a relaxed setting. Evening entertainment often takes place near the main bars with live music, themed nights, and sometimes even small performances. For anyone who likes to wind down with a sunset cocktail while watching the Pacific turn gold, this hotel is well positioned to deliver that experience. The pools and beaches are where most guests end up spending the bulk of their day, and rightly so. Resorts along the Los Cabos corridor typically feature large outdoor pools designed for both relaxation and play, with sections shallow enough for kids and deeper areas for adults who want to actually swim. Swim-up bars are a staple, letting guests order a drink without ever leaving the water, which is exactly the kind of luxury that makes vacations feel like vacations. Loungers and shaded cabanas are usually plentiful, though anyone who has stayed at a popular resort knows the early bird gets the prime spot. Beach towels are provided, and pool service typically includes drink and snack orders brought right to your lounger. The landscaping around the pool areas often features palm trees, tropical plants, and decorative tilework that gives the whole place a polished feel. When it comes to the beach itself, the Los Cabos region is famous for its dramatic coastline, though it is worth noting that not all beaches along the corridor are safe for swimming due to strong currents. Many resorts in this area have direct beach access, with sand stretching out in front of the property where guests can walk, sunbathe, or simply enjoy the sound of the waves. Nearby beaches like Costa Azul are popular for surfing and water activities, while Palmilla Beach is one of the few in the corridor known for being calm enough for safe swimming. Water sports such as paddleboarding, kayaking, and snorkeling are often available through resort partners or nearby outfitters. Whale watching is a major seasonal draw from December through April, and many resorts can arrange tours straight from the property. The combination of pool and beach options gives guests plenty of ways to spend a sunny afternoon. For guests who like to stay active on vacation, Krystal Grand Los Cabos sits in a region packed with activity options. Fitness centers at 5-star resorts in this area are generally well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and space for stretching or functional training. Many properties offer group fitness classes such as aqua aerobics, beach yoga, or Zumba, giving guests fun ways to break a sweat without feeling like they are stuck in a gym. Tennis courts are a common feature, and the warm climate makes morning matches especially enjoyable before the midday heat sets in. The Los Cabos area is famous for its world-class golf courses, with several signature designs from names like Jack Nicklaus and Greg Norman located within a short drive of the resort. Beyond the standard fitness offerings, guests can take advantage of cultural and educational activities that connect them to the region. Tequila and mezcal tastings are often hosted at resorts in Cabo, giving visitors a deeper appreciation for Mexico's signature spirits and how they are made. Cooking classes focused on regional Mexican cuisine are another popular option, teaching guests how to whip up dishes like fresh ceviche, guacamole, or handmade tortillas. Spanish language lessons are sometimes available as well, providing a fun way to pick up a few useful phrases during your stay. Sport fishing is a huge industry in Los Cabos, and the resort can typically help arrange charters for those wanting to head out into the Pacific or Sea of Cortez. Whether you want to learn something new or just stay active, there is no shortage of options to fill the days. The spa experience is a major highlight at any property branded as a Krystal Grand, and the Los Cabos location is built around the idea of total relaxation. Spas at 5-star Mexican resorts typically offer a wide menu of treatments, including traditional massages, facials, body wraps, and scrubs using local ingredients like sea salt, agave, and aloe. Couples massage rooms are usually available for guests traveling together who want to enjoy their treatments side by side. Hydrotherapy facilities including saunas, steam rooms, and hot and cold plunge pools are common features, often included as part of a treatment package. The atmosphere is designed to feel calming from the moment you walk in, with low lighting, soft music, and that distinct spa scent that somehow tells your body it is time to unwind. Yoga and wellness programs are increasingly popular at Los Cabos resorts, and guests can often expect morning sessions held outdoors with ocean views as the backdrop. Meditation classes, breathwork sessions, and even sound healing experiences have become more common in recent years. Detox programs and wellness-focused dining options sometimes round out the offerings, catering to guests who want their vacation to leave them feeling healthier than when they arrived. The combination of warm weather, ocean air, and dedicated spa facilities makes this kind of property a natural fit for travelers who want to focus on self-care. Whether you book a single massage or commit to a multi-day wellness experience, the spa is a strong reason to consider this resort. By the end of your stay, the only stress you should be dealing with is figuring out which treatment to book next. Since Krystal Grand Los Cabos is not an adults-only property, families with kids can absolutely make the most of a stay here. Kids clubs at five-star resorts in this area typically welcome children across a range of age groups, offering supervised activities throughout the day so parents can sneak away for some grown-up time. Arts and crafts, themed games, treasure hunts, and pool activities are standard features of these programs. Many kids clubs also schedule cultural activities that introduce children to Mexican traditions in a fun, age-appropriate way, like piñata parties or simple cooking sessions. The trained staff are usually a highlight, keeping kids entertained and safe while parents enjoy the spa or a quiet meal. Teen-focused activities and gaming areas are sometimes available as well, catering to older kids who might roll their eyes at the younger crowd. Family-friendly dining options, dedicated pool areas with shallow sections, and evening entertainment shows make this kind of resort a strong pick for traveling families. Babysitting services can often be arranged for parents who want a romantic night out, though it is worth confirming availability and pricing in advance. Strollers, cribs, and high chairs are typically available on request. The warm, welcoming atmosphere of Mexican hospitality tends to make kids feel right at home, which goes a long way toward a smooth family vacation. Plenty of parents return from trips like this with stories of kids who did not want to leave the resort at all. That is usually a good sign that the family experience delivered. The location of Krystal Grand Los Cabos puts guests within easy reach of some of the region's best attractions. Costa Azul Beach is right in the area and is one of the most popular surfing spots in the corridor, drawing wave riders from around the world. Palmilla Beach is also nearby and is famous for being one of the few swimmable beaches along the corridor, perfect for guests who want to actually get in the ocean. Cabo Dolphins San Jose del Cabo sits about 2 kilometers from the hotel and offers guests the chance to swim and interact with dolphins, which is especially popular with families. The historic art district of San Jose del Cabo is a short drive away, featuring galleries, boutique shops, and authentic local restaurants. Beyond the immediate area, the famous El Arco rock formation at Land's End in Cabo San Lucas is reachable by a scenic drive down the corridor. Marina Cabo San Lucas offers shopping, dining, and nightlife for guests looking to explore the more energetic side of the region. Los Cabos International Airport sits about 23 kilometers from the hotel, making arrival and departure relatively convenient. Whether guests want to explore cultural sites, hit the shops, or take in natural wonders, the location works well as a base. The variety of nearby experiences means even a week-long stay leaves you with options. Looking at the overall picture, Krystal Grand Los Cabos appears to deliver on most of what travelers expect from a 5-star Cabo resort. The location, amenities, dining variety, and access to both pool and beach make it a well-rounded option for many types of guests. Some travelers have noted that the property has gone through name changes or rebranding in recent years, which can occasionally cause confusion when booking through third-party sites. As with any large resort, individual experiences vary depending on the time of year, specific room category, and personal expectations. Overall, the hotel offers strong value for the experience and location it provides. What helps Krystal Grand Los Cabos stand out is its position in one of Mexico's most desirable vacation destinations, combined with the comprehensive offerings of a full-service 5-star resort. The brand carries name recognition in Mexico, and the property benefits from being part of a well-established hospitality group. The mix of beach access, multiple dining venues, full spa facilities, and family-friendly programming gives it broad appeal. Guests who want a true resort experience without having to leave the property for entertainment will find plenty to enjoy here. For travelers planning weddings, business retreats, or group events, properties of this size in Los Cabos typically offer flexible event spaces and conference facilities. Banquet halls, meeting rooms with audio-visual setups, and outdoor venues with ocean views are common, making the resort a strong candidate for destination weddings or corporate gatherings. Dedicated event coordinators usually help with planning and logistics. The scenic backdrop makes any event feel a little more special than it would back home. The guest experience at a property like this often comes down to the small touches that make a stay memorable. Friendly staff who greet guests by name, surprise welcome amenities in the room, and attentive pool service can turn a good vacation into a great one. Sunset cocktails on the beach, fresh ceviche at lunch, and the simple pleasure of a well-made bed after a long day of activities all add up. The combination of warm Mexican hospitality and a stunning natural setting tends to leave a lasting impression on guests. For those looking to escape, recharge, and create lasting memories, Krystal Grand Los Cabos is worth a serious look. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.